Everybody, welcome to CALA, Santa Cruz. We're at Unit 405. Come on in, let's take a quick look. As you come in, of course, look across here. You got a great kitchen, you got a great living room. You've got one bedroom over here on this side. This is the master. Take a quick peek in here. Of course, it has its own ensuite bathroom back there. And come on, let's head over here. Of course, you got a sink and a bathroom right here. And in here, another king-size bed. Lots of storage, and it even has a laundry room. So quick, come over here, come over here. Take a look, you got a stackable washer and dryer. And with that, hey guys, I wanna say thank you so much for watching this video. If you got any questions, hit me up at info@ParadiseGuy.com. Always here to help. My name is William Narod. I am the Paradise Guy. Let's look at the veranda before we sign off. Ta-da! We'll see you in the next video. Cheers, amigos.